resolve to grow. Growing food can save you money. With the current state of affairs in the world, the cost of groceries has jumped more than 7% since January 2021. More specifically, the fruit and vegetable index rose 0.9% over January 2022, and price surges still are happening due to inflation. So it stands to reason that growing your own food can save you money on groceries, but let's be real, some people go all out on gardens and the amount of money they're actually saving is debatable. Like any financial investment, your potential return and long-term success largely depends on what you choose to grow. Not all crops have the same monetary value, but knowing what to grow can offer significant savings over supermarket purchases. What kind of crops are worth your time? It helps to start with how much they cost at the market. Prices tend to fluctuate based on the season, geographic location, and environmental factors like drought or disease. But generally, these items are the most expensive to buy when buying organic, and they are as follows: tomatoes, bell peppers, leaf lettuce, and other leafy greens like kale and chard, summer squash, including zucchini, and beans. You can get more bang for your buck by growing pole beans up a trellis, thereby maximizing your garden space. On the other hand, a single tomato plant can yield up to 35 pounds of tomatoes. Bell peppers continue to grow all season long until the first freeze, giving you several harvests from a healthy plant. Are you going to resolve to grow in 2024? Tell us about it down in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips.